guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the fourth and last installment in my Disney Princess series, and it's based on Snow White. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't like Snow White, not at all, and I know a lot of people do, so sorry for those that do, but I could never get into it. But I really like the color scheme that I found for Snow White, and I really wanted to do something with it, so I chose her as my fourth one, but I'm not a fan. But if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. To begin, I'm going to be taking my Lorac Pro Palette 2, and I'm taking the color Navy and putting that into my crease. From that same palette, I'm going to go use the color Buff, and I'm using this color to help blend out the edges of that crease because we don't want anything too harsh. This is going to be a cut crease look, so of course for my cut crease per usual, at least for most of the time, I'm going to be using my Shape Tape in light medium honey. After cutting my crease, I realized I didn't want a full lid cut crease, so I'm going back in with that navy color and I'm just smoking out my outer V. Next, I'm taking my NYX glitter primer, and with a flat brush, I'm just going to apply it on my lid that was just cut and cleaned with my Shape Tape. Now for glitter, the one I'm going to be using is from Beige Cosmetics, and it's a loose glitter, and the color is gold, and I'm just trying to pack that as much as I can on my lid so there's no empty spots, like all you see is glitter. To get started on the face, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way in the color Warm Beige, and I'm going to be applying that on my face with the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. To conceal under my eyes and to highlight my T-zone, I'm going in again with that Shape Tape in light medium honey. For bronzer, I'm going to be using my NYX Cosmetics Matte Bronzer in the color Medium. To set my face, I'm going to be using my RCMA No Color Powder. For highlight, I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors collab with Desi and Katy, and I'm using their highlighter in Fuego. And every time I open this, I get so sad at the fact that I hit pan, and I hit pan so early because I used to use this all the time. So I'm trying to like save it because I'm pretty sure this one is sold out. So yeah, I try to use this not as much, but it's so good. Back to my eyes, I'm going to be going in again with that navy color, and I'm putting that on my lash line. I'm going to smoke it out as much as I can because I really wanted this to be like a really smoky look. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, and the reason I use this one is because I feel like this brush like deposits a lot of mascara on my lashes. So because I have all that glitter and all that gunk on my lashes, this mascara is going to be able to hide that really quick instead of like me just like working on it with another mascara, because I feel like not all mascaras put a lot of mascara on your lashes, but this one does. For lashes, I'm using my Tarte Goddess lashes, and I'm not sure if I ever said this on one of these videos, but this is my favorite pair of lashes. Lastly, for lips, I'm going to be using my NYX Cosmetics lip liner in the color Red Tape, and then the lipstick I'll be using is from ColourPop, and it's the color Creeper, which is an ultra matte lip. Alright guys, so that's how I got this look. This is my last installment to the Disney Princess series, and I really hope you guys continue to like suggest series because I had a lot of fun doing this. But yeah, if you have any suggestions, comment down below. If you like these videos, don't forget to give me thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.